In this lecture, I'm going to tell you how you can create a great Google Ads ad copy. But before we start, I want to tell you regarding Google Ads specs, ad format, size, and best practices. This is a link by Google which you can click, and I will also add. This is the link where you will be landed, and here you can see the Google Ad spec, ad format, sizes, and best practices. If you look around, Google has displayed regarding, for instance, for search campaigns, you can see over here your guideline over here, your logo requirements, character length. You can see over here everything, including your text, headline, maximum length, quantity, final URL, description, characters, number of descriptions you can use, call to actions, regarding specs regarding the images which you can use, information regarding responsive search ads. Similarly, you can see for video campaigns, travel campaigns, for your shopping ads. You can see over here everything is being visible over here regarding what format you can use for video, what format, what resolution you can use over here, and for text what you can use over here. For YouTube, what video format you can use over here. Everything is being mentioned on this page over here regarding your video active campaigns, for your text campaigns. Everything is mentioned, even for text ads on YouTube. You can see over here everything is mentioned over here. So it is a very good resource. So whenever you are going to try to create your own ad, you can see, head over on this page, and you can see over here the requirement for instance, for performance max, display, demand generation, app campaign. You can see over here for all of them. You can see over here all of the guidelines regarding the specs, the number of words you can use, quantity, everything is mentioned over here. Now let's move back on how you can create a great ad copy. So what is a good ad? A good ad is relevant to the keywords in the ad group, gets a high click-through rate, effectively sells your product or service, stands out from your competitors, include a call to action. So the main thing in making it work is the relevancy. The more your ad is relevant to your query, the high results it can get. Also, you need to stand out from your competitor. Also, what doesn't work? Vague, irrelevant, unclear ad without useful information do not work. For instance, if you look around on this, if we search a query like this, we see 3 ads. Now, the reason the number 1 ad is good is because it is directly communicating. Please try to understand, when someone is searching help get rid of acne, his intent is going to be he has acne and he wants to get rid. So try to understand the being exhausted form when he is trying to search this query. Now this ad directly communicates, dealing with acne, learn if a clinically proven acne medication can help you. Using of a strong words plus direct communication through the ad helps you in winning your customer. For instance, in this, someone is searching sell your car, and the ad is we buy your car. So that is a direct communication. So in this scenario, when someone is searching sell your car, now this is a direct communication, we buy your car. So that is a direct answering to the intent. You can see over here, plus the ad has different site extensions, plus using a phone extension, which I will tell you later as well. The next in line is ads with numbers. If you look around in the second ad, and if you do the comparison with the first ad, you will realize that since the second ad has a number $45,329 in the headline, that is making this ad more attractive. So ads with numbers always win and gets the user attention. Also, ad with stronger words. If you do the comparison between the first and second ad, you may realize that in the second ad description, the word like proven test, strategic guides, these are the words which are having a strong impact, and this also creates authority and authenticity in the consumer mind, which can help you in building the trust, and people are much more likely to click on the second ad. And if you look around on this ad, you may realize that if you are adding discounts and special offers in your ad, they are getting more tempting. For instance, the first ad has having 20% off dog food. So the word 20% off, the discount, the special offer is making the reason why the ad is more attractive. Also in the third ad, you can see over here that get 15% off is being mentioned in the description. However, since in the first ad it's being mentioned in the headline, that is why it is getting most attention. Now this is another query over here where I'm going to discuss regarding the relevancy. So you can't have generic ads for all of your queries. I highly recommend you to create different ads according as per the intent of the keyword. For instance, if someone is searching buy organic eggs, we need to understand the intent the user have in her or in his mind when he is searching a particular query. So when he is searching buy organic eggs, try to understand the intent he want to buy. He is more concerned regarding organic eggs, so he doesn't want to buy regular eggs. So if you look around at the first ad, fresh and tasty, the first ad do not answer the concern regarding the organic egg, which is why the first ad is poor. In the second ad, you can see over here that the word organic is being mentioned in the description, however not in the headline. Now since the user is particularly adding the word organic eggs, it means that he wanted to buy organic ad, so the word organic needed to be very important. So in the third ad, the word organic is in the headline, so which is why the number third ad is great ad. Also, if you look around in the description, the pricing is also mentioned, plus there is a call to add function, a CTA function, where they are recommending you to call us. So now this is the reason why the third ad is good. Also, the third ad URL is also relevant to the search query. General, whenever you are trying to create ads, there need to be a general rule. A general good advertisement should have objectives, targets, defining, noticing factor, example of remembering. There should be something through which people can remember about your ad. Also, there need to be a proper call to action, CTA, to take an action from the final user. Also, you need to have your own branding, and you do not need to too much exaggeration or irritation by repeating the same words. So these are the general guidelines for creating a good advertisement. Now we are going to review some of the ads. So in the ad review section, we are going to review. If you look around, this is an Upwork ad. So now this is a great call to action. If you look around at the second headline, that is reinforcing the first by mentioning the services they are offering. Simple to the point ad. Now if you look around on this ad clearly explains their services, builds trust by saying the word awarded best agency, plus they are using Google ad extensions. For instance, they are using the site extension over here, you can see over here. Now if you look around on this, they are also using ad extension like rating extension, site link extension, plus they are also building the trust with their reviews, 4.3 reviews, plus it is also pushing through the USP, unique selling proposition, of having the price in the headline, and also they are easily recognizable. If you look on this ad, this is a car insurance ad. This is easily recognizable. Encourage clicks also by saying the word we are not on comparison site. Also build trust with reviews, list the benefit they have. If you look around this Apple ad, you can see over here that they discuss regarding their market share. They clearly list the benefits of why you need to buy from us, plus the monthly pricing. They offer the monthly installment plan, so the user can decide even before clicking the ad on whether they need to buy the monthly pricing plan or not. So easy to clear information on the ad is also necessary, and this will also help you in getting irrelevant clicks. Now if you look on this lawyer's ad, you're going to see that they are going to build a brand. The description is clear, the services listed are clear in the form of ad extensions, plus mentioned in the description, plus there is the call to action, ad extension, simple, clear to add. Let us do the hard work and claim with confidence, no win, no free guarantee. So the ad is clear, straight to the point. Now this is another ad. If we review this ad, we're going to see that the 2 years warranty and free shipping incentive is one of the thing, which is tempting people to buy from them. Plus they are using the review extension, plus there is a call to action ad, like you can if you see around, they are mentioning free shipping, They are also mentioning using their brand power with the name of JBL is a famous brand in the headphones, so they are using this as well to win the customer trust and getting more clicks and sales. Now this is another ad regarding poster and prints. If you look around, they are using different ad extensions including a deal or a promo extension, plus they are using a static extension, plus they are using a review extension. So 3 extensions are being used, plus they are also mentioning the numbers in the ad. So this is how they are winning, showing success and short to the point. If you look around on this ad, so this the headline grabs attention. You can see over here the number and the features is one of the reason why the headline is attractive with the 4K TV range at Argos. Plus this ad is using rating extension. You can see over here the rating extension over here, plus cyclic extension, plus schema markup is being used over here in this ad, plus their office timing is also being mentioned over here with their call number, click to call and location. So these are all the reasons why the ad is getting more trust and getting more attention. Also the relevancy should the relevancy in the ad should also be the concern, as I told before. So now try to understand, when someone is searching Atlanta realtors, all 3 ads are relevant. However, the third ad is more attention grabbing because it has the phone number being added in their ad, so that is why the third ad is getting more attention. However, the other 2 ads are also relevant. Now if you add the extension, making all the 3 ads very relevant and good. So if we look around on these 3 ads, we can see the same comparison over here, and we can realize that the first ad is getting the most attention. Why? Because it is using the most ad extension, including the phone extension, cyclic extension, plus it is also using the review extension over here. So the ideal advertisement has relevant headline to search query, optimized display URL, it has a rating extension, it has a cyclic extension, and relevancy in the description of the ad as well. For a quick revision, Google offers multiple extensions including location extension, callout extension, structured snippet extension, review extension, cyclic extension, also phone promo deal extension. The promo deal extension can be checked if we scroll back, move back, and you can see over here that this is a deal extension, deal 35% off site-wide sale. So this is a deal or a promo extension. You can also use these. This is also being known as ad assets. So these ad extensions are also being called as ad assets. So you can use either of the word. Previously it was ad extensions. However, now it is ad assets. So you can use either of the ad assets to get the most out of your Google ads. So I hope you like this tutorial and a lecture regarding how to create a good ad. I discussed regarding some of the points on what people look in trying to create a good ad. I hope you like this.